Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making a stable, wet base so truffles hold shape. Combine 100 g Milo with 100 g softened cream cheese and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Use 30-40 g melted butter to loosen the texture. This adds richness and helps binding. Stir until uniformly combined. Avoid overbeating to keep texture slightly grainy, which makes rolling easier. Once done, cover and chill 10 to 15 minutes so the mixture firms. This step prevents greasy, sticky balls when you shape them. Now you form the truffles precisely. Scoop consistent 10 to 12 g portions for uniform bite-sized pieces. Roll each portion quickly between your palms. Short contact minimizes melting from your hands. If mixture softens, put the tray back in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. Arrange balls on a lined tray with space between them. Once they hold shape, chill 20 to 30 minutes to firm completely. This ensures the coating adheres smoothly and avoids cracking during tempering or dipping. Finish by coating. Melt 120 to 150 g dark chocolate gently. Temper for a glossy snap, or use a simple melt if ease matters. Once chocolate is fluid, dip chilled truffles, tap off excess, and roll in extra Milo, cocoa, or sprinkles for texture. Place back on the tray and chill briefly to set. If the chocolate thickens or seizes, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of neutral oil or a splash of warm cream to loosen it. This rescues the coating without changing flavor significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.